Hello, I'm Alan, also known as Scout. This is Nala Bushcraft. We've been doing a segment on flares. This one is wet, this side is dry. We're going to take a lighter and see if we can not use the wet end, but the dry end to relight it, and using a lighter. If this lights, this will burn for about 4 minutes with what's left of it at about 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or roughly thereof. But a lighter is unreliable, flares are not. You just gotta be able to light the darn thing. This is called roasting if you smoke cigars. You roast the end of a cigar to keep it lit. I'm gonna hold away from my body. Keep it point away from me at a 45-degree angle. The smart side is out, and the stupid side is toward me. Like a tape measure. The stupid side is the one that holds the end, while the smart end is the one that you take the measurement off of. And cut off the very end. There she is. Real fire. And one hot lighter. Don't put that in your pocket, it will burn you. The knife I'm using is a Falkland R2 Scout. It's about a 3-inch blade. It's about a 4-inch thick steel. It goes through wood like a red beaver on basalts. Don't cut yourself with it. Good knife.